So as promised, guys, I wanted to do a quick review of my first few uses of this. I'm sort of in the middle of putting together, again from mahogany pallets, putting together an end grain cutting board, and I'm going to use this to try and flatten out these pieces, which clearly need a lot of flattening out. So it was too much for the belt sander, sorry, and hopefully this will help out. But because it's already glued, I'm sort of not holding my breath because I think it might be a bit too strong for these pieces of wood, but we'll see. My point is that I've used this a few times now, and I don't know how good a Dewalt thicknesser is because I don't have one, and that's what I wanted. In the end, I opted for this. Can't see any other reviews really on Zipper. What is it now? HB204 online. I got it because I did find one review. I got it during lockdown. There was really very little choice, and a buddy of mine said if you're gonna get a sort of almost bottom of the range thicknesser, then why not go for a thicknesser jointer? I think it's £300, so $350, and it works great for what I've used it for so far. Now I'm going to use it for these cutting boards, see how that goes. Of course, the 204, well not of course, the 204 is 204 millimeters. That's the maximum width, about 8 inches. So for a normal full-size cutting board, I'd be making it in 2 halves and then joining it together. This would not thickness anything like that. So there's an issue. There's a limitation already, but they make bigger versions, which obviously cost more money. So that was my choice to stick with this version, and you know, if I need to do something bigger and join them together, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not too sure about cutting boards, but for other things. So it's really been fantastic. I'm gonna use it now. I'm also going to put it on fast forward for you guys because otherwise it'd be boring and extremely noisy. So you can see the results, but basically it was absolutely fantastic for the bedside table. So which was, you know, step-by-step guide, episode 1 to 4. I think this was episode 2 or 3. So, and it worked out absolutely fantastically for me. So, for what I was expecting, I got really clean surfaces and edges, and I'm hoping for that now with the cutting board. So yeah, does what it says on the tin. I don't know anything about Zipper, but there you have it. It works. And it works really well, and it did a great job for me on the last project. So here we go. All done, guys. So that's worked out. Now on with the thicknessing. And there we have the first piece, which is literally as bumpy as hell, like that one. And that's 4 passes, so I'm really pleased with it. I think this was so quick, I hardly had time to film it, but here we are with some very rapidly thicknessed boards for the chopping board. So I'm going to get that together now. Okay, so let's get cracking.